folks, Customer Appreciation Week begins today, Monday, June 12th, runs through Saturday, June 17th. Got some fantastic value for you this year. 50% off all of our plant material. We still have a great selection of perennials, our native plants, herbs, vegetables, flowers, combo pots, get to in a second, but 50% off all of our plant material. So we've got some larger peppers. They were 14, now 7. Got the pot for the hummingbird airport, so we're 25, now $12.50. Citrosa geranium, nice big patio pots in all different sizes. So this one was 40, that would now be 20. Got tomatoes that are already grown and have fruit on them in pots that they can stay in. These were 20, now 10. Great selection, berries as well, so come on out for those. And we also have our 4-inch light green pots of tomatoes and peppers. Still have a great selection of those, as well as some flowers, lantana, marigolds, and zinnias. They were $5.79, so they're all now $2 each as well. Hummingbirds, butterflies, you're looking to attract. We've got natives as well. Really good selection of all of that. As always, we look forward to serving you and seeing you at the farm.